Credit Karma and Personal Capital, two giants in personal finance, one crucial showdown. Which one really delivers? On the left, Credit Karma, known for its free credit scores and easy interface. And on the right, Personal Capital, a powerful platform for investment tracking and financial planning. We'll put them head to head in categories that truly matter. Features, ease of use, security, cost, and more. Forget the marketing hype, we're diving deep into what actually works for your money. Every round racks up points, and at the end, you'll have a clear winner. Trust us, the outcome may surprise you. Let's get into it. So here's how we're going to do this. Check out this mind map. We'll be comparing these two across price, investment features, credit monitoring, mobile experience, security, and just how deep each ecosystem goes. Ready? Let's jump in. First up, let's talk price, because who doesn't love free, am I right? Credit Karma is straight up free to use, no surprise costs, no sneaky paid tiers though. Yeah, you're gonna see a ton of ads and promos. But hey, at least you're not paying out of pocket. Personal Capital also gives you free tools, but if you want anything fancy, like a human advisor or real wealth management, get ready to pay some solid fees. So, Credit Karma takes this, one no contest. Alright now, investment features. Okay, honestly, Credit Karma doesn't really do investing. Sure, you might get some basic savings recommendations, but if you want stuff like retirement planning, portfolio tracking, or blasting through your investment fees, Personal Capital is where it gets serious. You get a ton of pro-level tools, but fair warning, some features are kind of locked behind their paid advice. Still, when it comes to real investment muscle, Personal Capital wins here. Moving on to credit monitoring. A biggie for a lot of us. This is where Credit Karma really shines. I mean, you get free real-time credit score updates and even alerts if something fishy shows up on your report. Pretty sweet, right? Personal Capital technically has credit tracking, but it's not really why you'd use them. It's less detailed and less frequent. So, if you care about your credit, Credit Karma runs away with this round. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know the average US consumer has over 4 credit cards? Wild. Alright, back to our showdown. Let's talk mobile experience. Both have really solid apps. Credit Karma is super easy to get started with, very beginner friendly. Though, heads up, those ads and offers on the app can be kind of annoying. On the other hand, Personal Capital gives you this insanely powerful dashboard, like you can track every cent across your accounts. But, and this is big, it can feel a bit overwhelming, especially if you're new to managing money. So honestly, it's a tie depends if you want it simple or super detailed. Security always a deal breaker, right? Both Credit Karma and Personal Capital are pretty buttoned up here. We're talking bank-level encryption, multi-factor authentication, the works. With Credit Karma, you might get annoyed at how much they use your data for targeted offers. For Personal Capital, you'll need to hand over a lot of sensitive info, so be prepared for that. But overall, both are legit when it comes to security, so this is another close tie. Finally, let's check out the overall ecosystem. Here's the thing. Credit Karma will connect with your major banks, but most features are laser focused on your credit. If you want to see your whole financial life investments, cash flow, retirement accounts, Personal Capital does all that. The caveat, it works best for people in the US and if you have a lot going on money-wise. So yeah, Personal Capital totally owns this one. Now, let's step back and take a look at how each one stacks up across all the categories. You're going to see some clear strengths on both sides, depending on where your focus is. So where does that leave us? Honestly, if what you care about most is your credit checking it, keeping tabs on it, Credit Karma is easily your best bet. But if you're someone with multiple accounts, investments, or you just love drowning in charts and projections, Personal Capital is your new best friend. It's pretty clear who the winner is for each style, but for most folks on a budget or just starting out, Credit Karma slides ahead. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next